Good morning, Glenn.
Hey, good morning, guys. Now, the Kankakee County judge's ruling sides with prosecutors and sheriffs from across the state, but this ruling will only affect a portion of the Safety Act, and the state leaders plan to take this fight up to the Supreme Court. Here's a breakdown. Kankakee County Chief Judge Thomas Cunningham's ruling stated that, quote, the appropriateness of bail rests with the authority of the court and may not be determined by legislative fiat, end quote. Now, this ruling came after more than 60 different lawsuits were combined and filed by sheriffs and prosecutors from across the state saying the legislation violates, I should say, the separation of powers and improperly amended the state's constitution. The judge's ruling on cash bail is a binding and only a limited number of judicial circuits in Illinois that were covered under the 64 combined lawsuits. Now, this act is set to go into effect next week, bringing with it the elimination of cash bail and allowing people in jail to request a pretrial hearing where a judge would make a decision about their release. Also, new defendants will go before a judge who would determine if they should be let go while waiting for their trial to begin. Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul spoke out against the ruling, saying, quote, all parts of this Safety Act will go into effect next week. The Governor J.B. Pritzker also released a statement saying, quote, the General Assembly and advocates work to replace an antiquated criminal justice system with a system rooted in equity and fairness. He went on to say, we cannot and should not defend a system that fails to keep people safe by allowing those who are threatened to their community the ability to simply buy their way out of jail, end quote. Now, the Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul also says he plans to appeal the decision, taking it to the Illinois Supreme Court. But again, the Safety Act will go into effect on the first of the year for all counties here in Illinois. Back to you guys in the studio.